Ready to unlock that dream skin, but want to keep your personal card info private? Then let's turn that Visa gift card into Valorant Points. First things first, boot up Valorant and log into your account. Once you're in the main menu, look for the Valorant Points icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen, right next to your player name. Clicking on that VP icon will take you to the Valorant Points purchase page. Now, you'll see a selection of VP bundles you can buy. Choose the one that fits your needs and, of course, the amount on your Visa gift card. Don't go over. You can't split payments. Here comes the important part. When you're prompted to choose a payment method, don't look for a specific gift card option. Instead, select credit card. Visa gift cards function just like regular credit cards online. Now, carefully enter the information from your Visa gift card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located on the back. Make absolutely sure everything is typed correctly to avoid any errors. You'll likely be asked for your billing address as well. Use the address associated with the gift card. This is usually found on the packaging it came in or a separate card you received with it. If you don't have an address, you can try using your own billing address. Double-check all the information one last time, then click the button to complete your purchase. With luck, it goes through fast. Any errors means the credit card information was input incorrectly, or the gift card did not have enough money to purchase the requested VP. And that's all there is to it. Your Valorant Points should now be added to your account, ready for you to spend on those sweet skins and cosmetics. Enjoy outfitting yourself, and thanks for watching.